guys, this is Deanna from DC Fit, and this is a 15-minute, no repeat, all cardio workout. We're going to give it all we've got for 15 minutes, one exercise at a time. All right, guys, here we go. 15-minute, no repeat, nothing but cardio. Get started right here with a warm-up. Big arm circles, high and wide to the front. Just going to take a couple minutes here, guys, to make sure we are warm and loose. Let's reverse this, high and wide to the back. Good. Taking those feet out wide. Let's get a couple more here. And last one. Let's bring this to a hinge, just all the way over and up. Good work. 15 minutes, guys. 15 exercises. We're going to crush them all, giving them all we've got, all right? 15 minutes. Here we go. All the way over and up. Let's get two more. And last one. All right. Rainbow knees, up, out, and around. Good job. Making a rainbow with your knee. Warming up our hip flexors. Let's get four more right here. Good. Last time left and right. Now let's give me those heels back, right and left. Good. Four more here and we're back to those knees. Last two and now rainbow knees all the way up and around. One more set of each. Warming up those hip flexors, warming up those hamstrings and glutes. Good job. One more each way. And now let's get those heels back right here. Good job. Last four here. Two and one. All right, bringing those feet together. Let's get a big side lunge right, center, side lunge left. Good. Sitting back in the hips, back in the heels. Feeling warm, feeling ready. We're going to get after that workout. Here we go. One more right and one more left. All right, leaving the feet out wide. Let's bring this to a little bit of squat. Just down and up. All right, guys, just a few more here. We're going to get started. 15 exercises, 15 finish lines. Couldn't think of one to say. Finish lines, right? We got two and one. All right, right there. Quick drink. Our finish line, speaking of finish lines, my finish line today is 45 seconds with a 15-second transition. You can change that if you want. Cut it out a little early, do 40-20. All right, completely up to you. All right, here we go. 15 minutes. Everybody ready? 15 exercises. We've got half jacks followed by regular jacks. All right, here we go. 45 seconds. Exercise one. Let's go right here in 3, 2, and 1. Give me two half jacks, two regular jacks. Good job. 15 minutes of cardio today, guys. We're going to give it all we've got, okay? Good job. Two half jacks, two regular jacks. Watch your breathing. Good work. You want your breathing to support your work, right? So let's draw that breath from the pelvic floor. Good job. 20 seconds and we're moving on. We won't be back to each one, all right? Modify as you need, okay? You can keep these at half jacks, okay? Don't have to add the regular jack if you don't want to. All right, 5 seconds and we put these away. Here we go, here we go. We've got 3, 2, and 1. All right, next exercise. We've got 2 squat walks. Give me 2 slow walks. You're gonna come down to this third one. Give me 2 hops. And then you're gonna tap in and repeat. Everybody ready? Here we go, 2 and 1. 2 squat walks, slow and deep. Sit on this last one. Give me 2 hops. Tap in right here. Move it. 2 slow. Good. Squat, hop for 2. Give me 2 little jumps. Tap in, repeat. Good job, guys. Getting low and high, adding a few little jumps. Again, you don't have to add that jump if you don't want to, right? Just down and up. Here we go. Down, give me 2 little plyo hops. And you're not jumping 6 inches off the floor, right? Just a little bit of a lift off the floor. Good job. Boom. Tap and squat. All right, finish strong right here. We've got 3, 2, and 1. All right, 15 seconds. All right, just all out butt kicker right here. Striking the floor, heels to the glutes. Keep it right here. No jog if you don't want to, all right? Here we go. We go in 3, 2, and 1 right here. Pumping the arms, driving the heels to the glutes. Good job. Think about striking the floor, all right? We're not pounding the floor. Strike, 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 strike. All right? You're not there for long. Just striking and then driving that heel to the glute. You can move this around, completely up to you. Here we go, here we go. Good job. 20 seconds, and we're moving on. You guys are doing great. Exercise 4. Keep those hands going. Striking the floor, driving the heels to the glutes. All right, here we go. We've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, everything to the right. We've got a side lunge. We're gonna drive that knee up with a hop, tap, knee, side lunge. So we're only driving, adding the hop, optional hop on that first knee. Let's go 2 and 1. Here we go. Side lunge, drive, tap, knee, side lunge, drive, tap, knee. Good job. Drive it up, tap, knee. Big side lunge. Good job. Getting low, sitting back in the hips and the heels. Driving it up with this big powerful knee. Tap, right back down. Good job. Here we go, here we go. Sitting low, power up. Good work, guys. Watch your breathing. Pushing through. 15 exercises today. We got it, we got it. Finish this one right here. We've got 3, 2, and 1. All right, same thing, other side. Big side lunge. Drive the knee, tap, knee. Woo! Quick breath right here. This is exercise 5. Everybody ready? Let's go 2 and 1. Here we go. Side lunge left, power knee, tap, knee. Deep lunge, powered it up, tap a knee. Good. Pushing through. 15 minutes of cardio, giving it all we've got, right? Sitting back in the hips and the heels. Push through the knee. Here we go. Drive it up. Good. Pushing through that opposite foot, grabbing that power knee. Oh, whoops, I did a couple extra there. Good, here we go. 10 seconds. Up. Sit low, power knee. We got it, we got it. All right, we've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, next exercise. We've got a walk out. Hands under the shoulders. Touch the opposite toe. Pike toe tap. Walk it back and up. Everybody ready? Here we go. Walk out, toe tap. 2 and 1 right here. Walk it all the way out. Hands under the shoulders. Pike toe tap. Pike toe tap. Walk it back. Add a little bit of a jump, or at least come up onto those heels if you want. Get a little bit of a heel raise. Walk it back and up. Good job walking it out. Tap that opposite toe with the pike. Watch your breathing. All right, here we go, here we go. We've got about 15 seconds. Finish strong. Walk it back. Little jump right here. Good. Walking it out. Walk it up. All right, this is it. Finish strong. We've got 3, 2, and 1. All right, staying right here on the floor. We've got plank jacks. All right, so plank jacks in and out, or you can walk them in, out, out. Everybody ready? Hands under the shoulders, feet out wide. Let's go 3, 2, and 1 right here. Nice and easy. Core tight. In and out. Maybe you get a few of each, right? In, out, out, in, out, out, and then add a few jacks. Good job. Completely up to you. Hands under the shoulders, core tight. Squeeze those shoulders, guys. Shoulders back. Here we go. Good. All right, 15 seconds. Plank jacks right here. You guys are doing great. Core tight. Eyes on the hands. Alternate those low impact in, outs if you need to. Finish strong. Let's go 3, 2, 1. Woo! Walk it up. Those are not my favorite, but we did them, right? All right, grab that towel. We've got towel throw downs. Grab that towel, throw it down, pick it up. Let's go 2 and 1 right here. Throw the towel down, squat, pick it up. Boom. Good job. Arms overhead, lots of force. As you throw it down, squat down low, pick it up. Sit back on that squat. Big exhale as you throw it down, right? Inhaling on the squat, exhaling on the throw down. We got it, we got it. 20 seconds, guys. This is exercise 8. We are more than halfway there. Here we go, here we go. We got it. Finish strong. We've got 3, 2, and 1. All right, next exercise, exercise 9. We're gonna run the mat. Everything inside leg left. Run for 3. Now give me a punch right here. Left, right. Now run right. All right, and then we're gonna punch right, left. Start moving left. Let's go 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. 3, 2, punch left, right. Punch, punch. Now run right. 3, 2, punch right, left. Punch, punch. Now left. Good. Running 3, punch left, right. Good. Now run right. 3, up and back. Good. Punch right, left. Boom, boom. Run it left. Up and down that mat. Give me 2 punches. Left, right. Now run. Great job, guys. 12 seconds. You got it. You got it. Here we go. Here we go. We're back to some isolation. After we finish these, up and back. We've got 3, 2, and 1. All right, isolating. Right leg. Quick drink looks like this. Right leg grounded. We've got a knee. We've got a lunge, tap, lunge, knee. Jump in with me. Here we go. Lunge, tap, lunge, power knee. Lunge, tap, lunge, power knee. Woo! Slowing down. Keeping it low, right? Everything here is low. Core tight. Add a little power right there. Here we go. You can add the hop or just add a big knee raise, right? Low, low, up, lunge, tap, lunge, knee. 20 seconds. Isolating that right leg. Here we go, here we go. Woo! We got it. Giving it all we've got in 15 minutes, guys. Love it, love it. Boom, here we go. Hup, hup. All right, we got 3, 2, and 1. Wow. All right, everything now on lefty. All right, left leg. So grounding the left leg, we got the lunge, tap, lunge, power knee. Here we go. Lunge, tap, lunge, power knee. We got it, we got it. Back, tap, back, drive that knee. Push off that left foot this time. Here we go, here we go. 15 finish lines, guys. This is exercise 11. You are crushing it. Raising our heart rates here. Giving it all we've got in 15 minutes, right? If all you've got is 15 minutes, what a spend. Here we go, here we go. 10 seconds. Finish strong. Low, low, drive. Low and low, then drive. Right here, we've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Quick drink. All right, we've got squat, reverse heel kicks. Follow that heel kick with the coordinating eye. Here we go. Squat, heel kick. Squat, heel kick. Good. Following that right heel kick with my right eye. Following that left heel kick with my left eye. Getting low, power up, kick. Inhale, exhale. We got it, we got it. Fantastic. Working the glutes here. Sit, kick. 20 seconds, guys. Exercise 12. Almost there. We got it, we got it. Big squat, big reverse kick. Here we go. Down, kick. Woo! Fantastic. Here we go. We've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wow. All right, next exercise. We have got frog walks, all right? We're gonna walk it up right, bring it back, walk it up left. Everybody ready? Let's go 2 and 1 right here. Down, walk it up right, back right, all the way up, down, walk it up left. Good. Nice job. The up down adds a little bit of a pulse, leading with the heels on the way up, leading with the toes on the way back. Good job. Up and back. Here we go, here we go. Good, now I'm leading right. Up, up, back, back. All the way up. Now lead left. Keep that chest up. Watch your breathing. All right, guys, here we go. 10 seconds. Finish strong, finish strong. Busting it here. Up and down, chest up, shoulders back. Don't start rolling over. We've got 2 and 1. Woo! All right, next exercise. 2 more exercises, guys. We've got a big jump. You're gonna go to a plank. You're gonna walk it back. Then give me that jump forward. Let's go 2 and 1 right here. Big jump. Land heel toe, plant the hands, drive the feet back to a plank, walk it up. Give me that jump. Jump doesn't have to be big, right? You're just clearing some distance, landing in a squat, popping it back, walking it back. Good. Little jump and land. Good. Walk it back and up. All right, 20 seconds, guys. Finish strong. Here we go, here we go. Big jump. Land heel toe. Plant the hands. Walk it back. Woo! Good job. All right, right here. We've got about 5 seconds. Let's get one more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys. Finishing right here with shuffles, okay? Let's give it all we got. Shuffling left and right. Let's go 2 and 1 right here. Shuffling left, tap. Shuffling right. Good. Getting high, high, low. High, high, and low. Good job. Here we go. Here we go. Boom, boom. Get low. Moving laterally. Here we go. Finishing strong. Watch your space. Watch your mat. Stay up. Moving side to side. Woo! High and low. What a 15 minutes. You guys have crushed it. Let's finish strong. Wrapping it up with these 15 seconds, right? Here we go. Side to side. Watch that breath. Here we go. Boom. We've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wow. 15 minutes. High five, guys. Woo! Grab a drink. Walk it off. Good work. All right. Feels good. Raise that heart rate, right? Give me a little toe taps right here. If you've done some strength, or I don't know, you're traveling, you're in a hotel room, maybe you've got your 6,000 steps in today, but you're in a situation where all you want to do is just raise your heart rate. Let's slow this down. 15 minutes. That's all that took. And we did it. You and me and you. And the clock. Great job. All right, let's leave the feet out wide. Right here, really wide. And let's just sit back, just the way we started. Sitting back. Good. What a sweat. 15 minutes. Nice. So the next time you're looking at your clock going, I don't have time. I don't have time. You've got 15 minutes, I bet, maybe. Good. Here we go. Down and up. Let's get one more each way. So glad you guys crushed this with me. And side. All right, all the way up. Again, let's just rotate those heels back. Be sure to cool down, guys. Stretch that out. Take your time. I'm going to say goodbye. Thanks for doing this with me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. This is definitely a workout you can return to again and again, right? 15 minutes. But thanks for doing this one with me today. And I will see you again next time.